All right, all trading is the same. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how all trading is the same, and let me prove it. So I've got a list of different trend or trading strategies in the corner just above me, right? If I forgot any, then I'll make another video. Just let me know in the comment box what's below, and I'll just break it out to you. But when people say this is the right way, that's the right way, it's all the same stuff. It's just how you read it individually, what makes sense to you. But nothing's right, nothing's wrong. So I feel like there's this weird toxic sort of crap going on in trading where, oh, you're trading the wrong way. You should trade it this. This is the correct way to trade. It's like, no, it's not. It's all the same stuff. How one person trades is exactly how another person trades. They just read it in a different way. All right. And apply in a different way. But it's not wrong. It's the same. You're all trading the same thing. Like we're all going to trade EU. I'm going to break down EU today. I'm going to show what I shared in my Facebook group with all that information is down below, the before and the after, and I'm going to break down how you could have traded it exactly the same way, but in all these different methods. All right, so let me just go to my Facebook page. You can see here, where is it? Before, right? Check the date. You can see it's today, and I did that at 9 minutes past 11 in the morning, right? This is what I was predicting. Then after, I posted this today, and this is up 5 or 6 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. Exactly what happened. All right. So how could you have traded it in different ways? Let me just prove it. So you got trendline traders. How do trendline traders trade? Well, they usually see trend lines. All right. They could do this. They could be waiting for the break, maybe, or they could be doing this. We don't know how they see it. They're saying, right, bounce, bounce. Okay, this is roughly where I'm predicting price to go. Maybe they drew that first. Who knows? This I'm not a trend line trader myself. What I'm saying is a trend line trader will see this and be like, oh, okay, makes sense. Same result, different way of doing it. You've got the break and retest people. So you have got, where's my box, right? Where you got support, resistance, or support and resistance. I should add that to list as well. Let me just change that to list. Um, Probably can't spell. Who cares? Grammarly will let me know. Right. Okay, support and resistance people. So what you got? We've got support, support, almost broke it. Support again. Now it's broken. Resistance. Now it's broken again. It's come up. Boom. Right. If I go to the 1 minute time frame, which is what I did the markup on, you'll be able to see this a lot clearer. All right. What have we got? Support, support, support. Resistance, resistance, support. So this would be a valid support and resistance zone. Then what happens? Price because I'm not going to draw it on, but there you go. Price breaks support, comes back, retests, turns it in, or breaks resistance, comes back, retests that support, and then moves higher. That's another way of getting into the trade, right? If you were to sell off this trade, you could have sold there, right? Obviously, I didn't do that. It's for a buy. What was the other ones I had on here? Bring this closer so I can see it. Um, Right, so breakout traders. All right, so people are seeing this as potential resistance, right? The trend line could be resistance. So as soon as price broke out of it, closed above, that could be a buy, that could be a stop loss, price went higher, right? Same outcome, applied differently. Head and shoulders people. Ready? So we got left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We'd be buying here, assuming that's where the right shoulder would be. Price be going higher. All right, then you got Fibonacci traders. So maybe when you saw a, where's my thing gone? A breaker structure, right? Then you can draw your fibs, no matter what fib level you go on. I don't know, maybe you're the 38.2 type of people. Let's put this in yellow. There you go. Price came back to the 38.2. Enter there, move higher, stop loss below the low, right? Something like this. Enter there, stop loss there, go for whatever you want to do. Again, same result, seen differently, applied in a different way. SMC traders. So what are they seeing? Well, they're seeing this as potential liquidity. They're seeing this on the 5 minute time frame, right, as an order block. Let me just draw it out. Order block. They're waiting for price to retest it, aren't they? Right? They want to, oh shit. They want to see some sort of breaker structure. Let me just delete this and put it all in. I want to see that. And then maybe they want to get in on another order block. What looks clean? So let's go back to the 5 minute. Okay, so we got this order block here. What did price do? Price reacted off that order block, cover the low, go to the top side, right? So we've gone from support resistance, fibs, head and shoulders, SMC, breakout traders, break and retest traders, and trendline traders all had the same result. Not one bit of trading here is wrong. Everyone sees the market, what makes sense to them. You know, like you can wait for Wyckoff and stuff if you're that SMC cult type of person in here and be like, this is how you trade, this is how they all do it. No, it isn't. This isn't how everyone does it. Everyone sees it in a different way. Nothing is wrong in a market. It's just what makes sense to you. So when you see people go, oh, this is the correct way to trade, this isn't how you do it, this is how you should do it, just ignore them. They don't know what they're talking about. All trading is the same. All strategies are basically the same. It's what makes sense to you. Because here's a great way of describing it, right? If I swear at you in a language you don't understand, you don't care because it means nothing to you. So if I swear at you in Mandarin, you're just going to be like, hi, have a nice day. Nice to meet you too. And I might just absolutely effed and jeffed you up and you wouldn't have a clue. But if you understood the language, you might take some offense to it because you understand what's going on. So different strategies are just different ways of understanding what price action is doing to you. Doesn't mean it's wrong. Doesn't mean it's better than someone else's. It's just how they see the market. So again, if you see all this like toxic stuff, guys, just ignore it. You don't need it in your life. Ignore those people. Just focus on what makes sense to you. All right. What makes sense to me won't make sense to you, but it might make sense to someone else. Everyone's got different lifestyle choices. Everyone's got different issues. Everyone's got different responsibilities. So if you're a 1 minute trader looking for Wyckoff, that's fine. But if you're a parent and you've got kids running around and you've got a full-time job, guess what? You can't do that. You might have to be a breakout trader on a higher time frame. Either way, it's the same thing. It's the same move, just looked at and understood differently. It's not wrong. It's not right. It's not better. It's not worse. It's the same. So hopefully let's answer some questions. If you want any more information about how I did all that and you want to join the group, the information for that is in the description down below. So I'll see you there. It's a quick video. Goodbye.